Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I am T.G.K. Reddy. I would like to share with you my experience of surveying fields and measuring their areas. I will be posting quite a few episodes, and I suggest that you should download all the episodes and should watch whatever the episodes you like and need. I will be happy if any one of you can survey your own fields and measure their areas. I will be happier if you can survey the fields of others also and measure their areas. If you find errors or mistakes in these episodes and if you improve upon my knowledge, that will be the proper tribute for me. These episodes are not for surveyors or engineers. These are for those viewers who know nothing about surveying. That's the introduction. Complex mathematics is unnecessary for surveying or measuring their areas. Nevertheless, I discuss rudiments of mathematics in this episode and a few subsequent episodes. Knowledge of rudiments of mathematics is, however, absolutely necessary. Moving on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the above are integers. 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 7, 8 by 12. All the above are fractions. 0.5, 0.05, 0.50. All the above are fractions in the form of decimals. You can convert fractions into decimal forms. Say 1 by 2. Enter 1 in your calculator. Press divided by. Enter 2. Press is equal to. You will see 0.500000. You can ignore the zeros after 5. If the number 0.05, in the number 0.05, you can't however ignore the 0 before 5. You can convert decimals into fractions. Say 0.5. There is one place after decimal. There is one figure after the decimal place. So, you should put 1 0 after 1 and make it the denominator. That is 5 by 10. Let's take another example, 0.05. Here, there are two places after decimal place. There are two numbers after decimal place. So, we should put 2 zeros after 1 and make it a denominator. That means 5 by 100. You can simplify this fraction, 1 by 20. Now, let's talk about subtraction. For example, we want to deduct 2 from 6. The figure 2 changes its sign and adds to, the result is 4. Let's take an example. We should deduct minus 2 from minus 6. Minus 2 changes its sign and becomes plus 2 and adds to minus 6. The result is minus 4. Let's take third example. We should deduct minus 2 from 6. Minus 2 changes its sign and becomes plus 2 and adds to 6. The result is 8. Let's deduct 2 from minus 6. 2 changes its sign and becomes minus 2 and adds to minus 6. The result is minus 8. Now let me talk about something about equations. Here 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 8. If you want to take this denominator to the other side of is equal to, it will become numerator there and multiplies. That means 1 is equal to 4 into 2 by 8. In the place of 2, there is 1, but that 1 can be ignored. We can simply say this by 1 by 1, 1. Here, let's take another example. 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. So, we like to take this 4 to the other side of the equation. So, 2 is equal to 4 into 4 by 8. In the equation 2 by 4, we want to take this numerator 2 to the other side of the equation. So, here this 2, numerator 2 becomes denominator 2 here and multiplies 8. In the place of 2, we will put 1. You cannot ignore this as in the previous case. So, 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8 into 2. Here, there are 3 equations. 2 plus 6 is equal to 5 by 3. 5 plus 3. 2 plus 6 is equal to 5 plus 3. If we want to take this 2 to the other side of this equation, 6 is equal to 5 plus 3 minus 2. 2 here means plus 2 and this plus 2 changes its sign and becomes minus 2 after going the other side of the equation. If we want to take 6 to the other side of the equation, 2 is equal to 5 plus 3 minus 6. Plus 6 becomes minus 6. So, in this way, figures change their positions and signs.